Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you ever had a display issue on your iPhone where the screen twitches, distorts, or takes actions on its own? In this video, I will show you how to resolve these ghost touches on your iPhone. Let's go. When this happens, the first method I recommend is to perform a force restart on your device. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. When force restarting your device doesn't work, the next thing you can do is to connect your iPhone to a computer and choose between updating or restoring it. Since restoring your iPhone will erase all your data, it is better to update it first to see if it will resolve the problem already. This is because there is a possibility that the touchscreen problem may just be caused by some outdated functions. If this is the case, updating the device should easily resolve the problem. To update your iPhone, plug it into your computer and make sure that you are using an original or an MFI certified cable to prevent any problems with the transfer of data. Then launch either iTunes or Finder on your computer. Another option for resolving this problem is to install a repair tool on your computer. For this, I recommend Tenorshare Reboot, which addresses nearly all software issues on your iPhone. This method is quite practical because it will also immediately update your iPhone to the most recent iOS version in addition to fixing any software glitches. Aside from that, it also works both on Mac and Windows PC. However, please note that most of its features require a paid subscription. If you want to try and test it out, you can download the software by clicking on the tag at the top right corner or find the link in the description below. Upon installation, launch Reboot on your computer and click the Start button. Next, click on Standard Repair. The program will then automatically provide the latest firmware that is compatible with your device. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the repair process. When the repair is finished, your iPhone will automatically reboot and the problem should now be resolved. Any of the solutions I've recently discussed should work if the problem is caused by a minor software glitch. However, if the issue still remains after that, it could be a hardware concern. In this case, the only workable solution is to visit any Apple service center near you. Hopefully, your device is still under warranty so that they can repair it for free. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.